In this video, I'm going to share with you why Herbalife Formula 1 shake is so powerful and how you can have the best love life by changing your nutrition. Hi everybody, this is Jing here from Authentic Energy. I'm here to help you get a fit body and also to help you get the best love life. So I personally have been using Herbalife Formula 1 shake for over 5 years. And people look at me today and they always assume my age is like mid-20s, 25, 26. In fact, do you want to know how old I am? How young I am? I am 36. By the way, this is 6 in Chinese. I am 36 years young. That's right. And seriously, a lot of people say that, there's something that you do at this particular age and then your age freezes at that age so you don't age. Sorry, all that kind of like anti-aging things, right? But what I can share with you is I actually started drinking Herbalife about, 31 years old. And I actually surely don't look 31. I look much younger than that. So why is that? Okay, and why is it so powerful? And you guys probably have seen that a lot of people use Herbalife shake for like losing weight, for muscle gaining, and also for improving like internal digestive issues, right? All sorts of things. Okay, so let me share with you why Herbalife Formula 1 shake is the #1 selling meal replacement shake in the world today, and why there's so many people using the shake today. Okay, so #1, Herbalife Formula 1 shake is formulated with perfect balance of nutrients. So we're talking about macronutrients like protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. And the formulation is actually 30% healthy fat, 30% protein, and a 40% healthy carbohydrate. So, in Herbalife, we're talking about balanced nutrition, right? For your body to be healthy, we're not gonna look at like all the specific formulations or calculation. Just for like an average person to be healthy, your body needs 30% healthy fats, 30% protein, and 40% carbohydrate in a perfectly balanced, nutritious meal, okay? So because of that, the shake is formulated to give your body that perfect balanced nutrients. So once your body absorbs all the perfect balanced nutrients, plus micronutrients meaning the minerals and the fibers and the multivitamins, your body will become healthy. Okay, so think about it this way. Now you guys are like, oh my God, you're talking so much science. It's very simple. Look at your body, right? Our bodies are made by trillions and trillions of cells. And those cells need nutrients in order to be healthy. And how do we feed our body cells? We have to feed them with good food, good nutrients, right? But if you look at the world today, there's so much processed food, there's so much junk food and fast food out there. So a lot of us are not able to feed our cells, our trillions of cells, with good quality nutrition. So that is when the shake comes into play. Okay, with all these, you can actually check the label if you get yourself, if you are already using the products or if you're thinking about using a product, you can always find the information on the labeling and on the nutrition ingredients as well. Basically every Herbalife shake has over 20 nutrients in there, and that is there to serve your body. All these nutrients are perfect balanced. And if you're talking about food, a lot of times when we eat food, we don't actually get a wholesome nutrition. So when we drink the shake, it's almost as if we're taking a really wholesome, nutritiously balanced meal. And it's actually better than a lot of things that we're eating, especially in the morning. Okay, so #2. So #1, do you guys get that? The shakes are formulated with balanced nutrition. And then #2, the power #2 is that it acts as a really, really good, like energy fuel. Okay, so if you're someone who's working out, if you go to the gym, if you like to work out, this is a really good one to have. You can take the Formula 1 shake before you work out, as a snack, or you can take it after you work out as a workout recovery shake. So why? Because of all the nutrients. Very simple. Just remember this. You hear this from me today. It's all about nutrition. You're putting good nutrition into your body. Okay? So before the workout, if you're, empty stomach, you are not able to perform well, right? And if you go and eat something like a sugary granola bar, or I don't know, whatever that you can find outside, they're not as good as having a nutrition shake, because you're getting all the nutrients into your body. Okay, and after the workout, of course, our body needs, protein, carbs, and all types of vitamins, right, to recover what's being lost and what's being, breaking down during the workout. So have a shake. That's actually really good for your body to recover. Okay, and that is also another really good power, the fitness nutrition power. Okay, and power number 3. Okay, power number 3. A lot of you guys probably have been waiting for me to tell you this. Why is it that when people use the Formula 1 shake, they lose weight? And it almost becomes like the Herbalife shake has almost become kind of like the icon, right? The icon for like weight loss. I hate to call it the weight loss product. It's not a weight loss product. So how do people lose weight? It is very simple. Again, it goes back to nutrition. When you feed your body, when you feed your cells with all the good nutrients, your body becomes healthier, much, much healthier. And when your body becomes healthier, the weight comes off naturally. Okay, because of the detox, the cleansing, and also, because you are changing the way you eat, you're changing your diet. If you're working with a Herbalife coach, right? So for example, when I work with a client, not only that we're actually giving people a personalized program, which includes the Herbalife shake, but also at the same time, I give my clients the meal plans as well. For example, not really meal plan, but like meal guide. Okay, how should you eat your lunch? How should you eat your dinner? Okay, and when can you replace your meal with a shake? And also, what do you eat in the morning? Okay, so all of these come together, the shakes, the Herbalife product, plus the change of your lifestyle to actually make your body healthier. So as a result of the healthy lifestyle, you lose weight. Can you see how that works, right? So if you're someone who's like eating pizza, eating McDonald's right now, but you're also drinking Herbalife shake at the same time, you may see some small results. You may still get some results actually because of the nutrients that the shake is giving you. But at the same time, you might not see the weight loss result as fast as, say, person B, who is on a very, very good meal plan with a coach, who is following, the meal guide, how you're supposed to eat together with the shake. Okay, so ditch that pizza and do it properly. All right, so now you know about the powers of the Herbalife Formula 1 shake. And if you have any more questions about how the Formula 1 shake can help you to get the goals and the results you want, feel free to write your questions in the comment below. I'm happy to help you guys, because over the past 5 years, I've helped so many people, over hundreds of people, to get the health result they want, whether if it's weight loss or weight gain, or even just body shape up or skin improvement. That's a very good one as well. Usually after using 1 month of the shake, you can start to see some improvement in your skin as well. So I myself is a really good example of being on the shake, getting good skin, looking young, and also remember this, you don't get sick. You don't catch the cold, you don't catch the flu. Your body is strong. Your immune system is very strong. Now, this one you're all waiting for. How does the Formula 1 shake change your love life or improve your love life? It is very simple. You change your nutrition and then you change your body. When you change your body and your nutrition, you change your energy. Okay? And when your energy changes, you start to attract the right vibe into your life. So if you're already with someone right now, it will actually make you happier. So I can't say directly the shake's gonna like give you the happy, the happy drug or something like that. But when you put the right nutrition to your body, you start to become healthier. And when you become healthier, your mind becomes happier and healthier too. So that you start to radiate this happier vibe. And when you send out the happy vibe, you are actually getting back the happy vibe. So if you're with someone, the happy vibe would definitely harmonize and will definitely improve the relationship you have with that person. And also, when you're in a healthier and also fitter, shape, you're definitely attracting something the same, because you're attracting who you are, you're attracting what you are, right? So when you improve your health, when you improve your body and wellness, you're actually improving your love life too. And if you're single and still attracting, the man or the girl of your life right now, just improve your nutrition. Starts from the breakfast. Okay, I will make a separate video about how you can use the Herbalife shake as your perfect breakfast. And if you do want to know about that, please write it in a comment below. I'll definitely make that video very soon, an updated version for 2019. So now you know the powers of the Formula 1 shake, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you love it, please share and comment below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because this year I'm dedicated to making videos to help you guys get a fit body, get a healthy body, and also to improve your love life. Okay, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.